in the minds of the people as to the degradation of tourism in Goa with events like Kamasutra Christmas to Neo-Tantra, sacred intimacy by end of last year, to Nude Party Goa, sacred party to be held in Arambol on 18th and 19th January 2026. Cage directly home आणि tourism मध्ये हा तांत्रिक पार्टी ज्यांना कॉलिंग अटेन्शनाची सुरुवात झाली आणि एक आरामबॉल नियो तांत्रा सिक्रेट पार्टी टू बी हेल्ड ऑन 18th and 19th. I have sent the Instagram post to Honorable Tourism Minister.
ते कसलेच परमिशना पुलिसे कडल्यान आणि इव्हेंटूय कांयच नसता, फक्त गोयची इमेज पिड्ड्यार करपाक जाय.
त्याच्या उलट कितें तरी सोल्युशन काढपाक जाय.
म्हणून ते आम्ही उलोवन आनी चड करूया नाका, फक्त एकच सांगता तुका.
Speaker sir, these are not trivial questions. These go beyond one organizer or one poster. So I think we have to decide what kind of tourism, what kind of public culture, what kind of social space we want to normalize.
हेचे सगळे नाव घाण गोंयकारांचे जाता. सो हेका लागून हांव क्लियर कट डिमांड करता की हाऊस कमिटी टू एसेस द नाईट क्लब्स एंड सच एक्टिविटीज. आता ह्यो सगळे एक्टिविटीज जाता ताका लागून हाऊस कमिटी डिप्लॉय करपाची आणि हे सगळे मॅनेजमेंट करपाक जाय.
डिसेंबर क्रिसमस जालो तुगेलो टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट or the home department तुम्ही कंप्लेंट फायल केला. टिल डेट इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ नाउ. You have found out who is the culprit.
In the instant matter upon the proposed event popularly referred to as Kamasutra Christmas being brought to the notice of the tourism department, it was immediately examined and found that no permission whatsoever had been granted by the department for the said event. Prima facie, the event appeared to be promoting objectionable and explicit activities under the guise of a spiritual gathering, thereby raising serious concerns regarding public nuisance and law and order. Accordingly, the Department of Tourism formally lodged a complaint with the police authorities, clearly stating that the event was unauthorized and illegal, and requested immediate investigation, registration of FIR under relevant provisions of law, and strict action against the organizers to prevent the conduct of such activities and to ensure public safety and order.